A few days ago, a customer brought in a Kangia Pulsator fully automatic washing machine with a malfunction where the power was not turning on. Such a fault is usually caused by a damaged motherboard, so let's open it up and take a look. After removing the top cover, we first measure whether the neutral and live wires from the power cord to the motherboard are connected. The actual measurement shows that only the neutral wire is connected. The live wire, which is brown, is not connected, while the blue neutral wire is connected. Continuing along the wire, we find that something is connected to a fuse tube here, and the fuse tube is burnt out. Usually, electricity-related equipment such as circuit boards have fuses that, if burnt, should not be bypassed using thick red wires or 7-treasure wires. Installing a new fuse and testing the machine is of course also possible. Because in cases like this, components on the motherboard have short-circuited, causing an overcurrent that burns the fuse. When plugging in the power for testing, there was no response. You can see smoke coming from the motherboard. We remeasured the fuse. The newly installed fuse had not burnt out because it was a 5-amp fuse instead of the original 3.15 amp, so it may not burn out in a short time. You can see that the capacitor on the original motherboard is bloated, but because this kind of motherboard is waterproof, it is sealed with glue. This makes disassembling and repairing inconvenient, so we bought a new motherboard and installed it. When testing the machine, we found that the original program had 12 cycles, but the motherboard we bought had only 10 programs. When ordering, we ordered 12 programs but received a 10-program motherboard. So we returned it and purchased another motherboard from a different place. Unlike the previous one, this motherboard uses a switching power supply near the transformer spot. Although it looks like a transformer, it is not one. We installed it and tested the machine. You see, this motherboard has 12 water levels for the programs. Testing the water levels, it can perform washing, rinsing, and spinning. After the test, everything is okay and it works normally. When purchasing this part, be sure it is brand new and original.